Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to switch accounts on Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to switch your accounts on Snapchat, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up your Snapchat, and after opening up your Snapchat, now you just have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on that, just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right, and then scroll all the way down, and after scrolling all the way down you should find this logout option. Just simply tap on it and then tap on logout. After tapping on logout, now in the bottom right corner you will find switch account option. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you just have to enter the username or email address of that account and then enter the password and then tap on login. And after tapping on login and then logging into your account, if you'll just again log out from that account, then you can easily switch your account. So just simply swipe it towards the left, and after doing that, here you can see guys, you can switch to this account or you can just simply switch to other account. So just simply select the account that you want to switch and then tap on login, and after tapping on login, now you don't have to enter your account details and it will be directly logged into your account. So just simply log out and then log into some other account that you want. So that's it guys, this is how to switch account on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.